Tayong mga lalaki, kayod araw-araw. Kahit sagad na, lahat kinakaya. Buti na lang may bagong Revicon. Ang Strongman's Multivitamin. May 5 times more muscle-building lysine versus previous formulation. Revicon, tulong para mas sagad ang lakas mo with proper diet and exercise.
Unilab quality yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, amino acids is the generic name of Revicon. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Revicon Forte, may palagang lakas mo.
Agay, iyan bina, tiene pa junto dolor del cuerpo, dolor de cabeza y calentura.
El descarte, chabacano, alguien.
Mas pronto, balat na 4! Faster versus paracetamol in as fast as 30 minutes.
Unilab quality yan.
Paracetamol caffeine is the generic name of Rexidol Forte. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Basta si Chene Calor,
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic.
na Calor, tapensa ko sa el, kung daw ase bueno.
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic. Most doctor prescribe sa lagnat. Basta lagnat, wag nang magdalawang isip.
Dapat matik, ibay Jessic.
Alagang Unilab yan.
Paracetamol is the generic name of Biogesic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Tatak RMN.
I have lagnat and I have sipon. Pag 2, pwedeng flu. Mag-BioFlu. Dahil pag may 2 symptoms, pwedeng flu yan. BioFlu. Kaya anumang sintomas ng flu.
Unilab yan.
Phenylephrine, HCl, chlorphenamine, maleate, paracetamol is the generic name of BioFlu. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Ang kinis na niya.
In fairness, nag-glow up. May budget.
So solid, white rose papaya, wow, white rose. White rose papaya, wow, white rose. White rose papaya. May glow up with a white rose papaya.
Puti sulit ang glow up sa White Rose Papaya. May papaya, niacinamide para sa puti power times 2. Plus shea butter and tea tree oil.
Glow up with the power of 2.
White Rose Papaya. Kuti sulit ang glow up. Regular use helps. Results may vary. White Rose Papaya. Manufactured by ACS ISO certified world-class quality.
Dihayayo. Por eso, ready ayo man goodbye to the ones I love. Bye, anak! Hugaan ayo ko ni mga apo! Adios mga kumare! Manunay ayo ko con ustedes!
Enjoy Alvida, si pwede man bay na agay with Skilan. Epektibo kontra na agay. Hiyang panacorazon hasta na bolsa. 950 lang kang SRP. Naproxen sodium is a generic name of Skilan. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Unilab yan.
Tatak RMN.
Oh, katalakyan nyo siya kababla 2026 is gonna be my year. Siya na ba progreso? O baka dreams and goals de ustedes dreams and goals lang siyempre next year. No judgment, pero nuay, new year, new me, sinuay to energy. Después en permiso pa. Kay maskin bueno pa man plano, difícil sa man-achieve si bahol energy e immunity ni tuyo. Nuay man tupaltan ambisyon e motivasyon. Pensa ba to, nuay to ora o nuay lang gana. Pero de verasan, falta lang gato energy. Kosa, hasta planning, booking, or imagining yalang ba to? Make it happen with Enerbon Z+. It helps give extra energy from B vitamins plus stronger immunity. For causa na zinc and vitamin C with proper diet and exercise, so you can make your best life a reality. Let's make things happen in 2026. Man Enerbon Z Plus siya. Unilab quality yan. Multivitamins plus zinc is the generic name of Enerbon Z Plus. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Teka ba todo miyo benta? Yan deliver pa yo mga orders.
Iyo, yan bisa ko na siya. Nagkompo ng laptop, yan gym, yan chine pa extra.
Kosa extra.
Extra time con misis.
SLD Mindanao, permit tiene extra fuerza y amor desde Maxvid. Cargao con 19 vitamins, minerals, ginseng, and royal jelly. Tayo da que mas ma-fuerza el cuerpo, alerto al pensamiento y para manlabing-labing with proper diet and exercise.
Extra game?
Extra rice.
Maxvid Cargado.
Unilab quality yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, ginseng, and royal jelly is the generic name of Maxvid. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Mag-Max Vit. Para kargado ang lakas ng katawan, listo ng isip, pati sa lambingan.
Oh, laka na namang energy. Paano na yung gusto mong gawin sa life? Next time na lang ulit? Gawin mo na! Mag-Enervon Z+, so you can help level up your health with extra energy with proper diet and exercise. Start living the life you want because life begins with energy. Enervon Z+.
Unilab yan.
Multivitamins plus zinc is the generic name of Enervon Z+. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Tatak RMN.
Tayong mga lalaki, kayod araw-araw. Kahit sagad na, lahat kinakaya. Buti na lang may bagong Revicon. Ang Strong Man's Multivitamin. May 5 times more muscle-building lysine versus previous formulation. Revicon, tulong para mas sagad ang lakas mo with proper diet and exercise.
Unilab quality yan.
Multivitamins, minerals, amino acids is the generic name of Revicon. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Revicon Forte. May palagang lakas mo.
Mula sa number 1, Smart Dishwashing Base.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. Number 1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Wala kang di malalampasan pag may tiwala sa sarili. Tagay na sa swabing lasa at hagod ng Tanduay Rum. 170 years nang naniniwala sa tibay ng Pinoy. Ang tunay na matibay, may tibay Tanduay. Drink responsibly. Tunay ang tibay mo, kaya Tanduay ang tagay mo. Drink responsibly.
Tatak RMN.
Bianca De Vera here. When I enter a room, napapatingin sila because my skin says I'm here. Kasi I use Silka Green Papaya Soap, boosted with green papaya enzymes. With regular use, kitang-kita ang Cutis Silka in as early as 7 days. With regular use, kitang-kita ang Cutis Silka with Silka Green Papaya Soap, boosted with green papaya enzymes. Silka Green Papaya Soap.
Tatak RMN. Maskin donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.